now to a fare hike of a different kind in Telangana. A bottle of beer got dearer by 15% in that state, which is one of the biggest beer guzzlers in the country. The decision comes in the midst of concerns about huge dues from the governments towards beer companies, and some of whom, like UB, have demanded a 30% hike in prices. Irrespective of the reasons, beer becomes more expensive in Hyderabad. My colleague Uma Sudhir joins me live right now. Uma, I know you don't need beers to be high on life. You're high on life either ways, but what's the general reaction, and give us the financial overview of this decision?
So this price rise, in fact, is coming after 5 years, because 2019-2020 is when the last rise happened, and therefore there had been a demand from all the alcohol beverage kind of sellers, brands, to increase the prices. And the United Breweries was one of those companies which in fact has a 70% market share in the beer that is sold in Telangana. Like you rightly mentioned, Telangana is among the top guzzlers of beer in the country, and of course it brings in a revenue of 4,500 crores annually, and therefore it's a very important segment for the Telangana government as well. And here there's a unique situation, because there's a Telangana Beverages Corporation that has a monopoly in distribution of all these bottles, and therefore the government's role there. So the Principal Secretary of Revenue, who's dealing with Prohibition and Excise, he issued these orders going by the price fixation committee, which was headed by a former High Court retired Judge Justice Jaiswal, and he had made this recommendation. United Breweries last month had in fact stopped supply, even though they're supposed to give 70% of the bottles that are consumed here. They stopped supply because they said, one, the prices have not increased for the last 5 years, and two, we have huge dues from the government. At that time, the Chief Minister had said that we are not going to come under pressure from anyone. United Breweries was asking for a 33% hike in the prices, but subsequently there were talks, and of course both sides stand to benefit when liquor is sold, and therefore 20th of January they resumed operations, and now the government has allowed for a 15% rise. So what that means is that 150 rupees bottle, I'm told, will sell for 180, and if you have been buying something that's cost you 160 rupees, it's going to cost you 200 rupees now. So those in stock, those in transit, even those are covered for the hike in prices. Back to you, Veera.